Hello, here's a quick overview of what's inside the Book Better Flights course. On the left is essentially the table of contents. Each of these is a bite-sized lesson. So for example, here's an introductory lesson, and it has a short video to watch as well as a link to the written transcript in case you prefer to read. Then if we click over to the lesson called Flight Booking Roadmap, this is where you'll be able to make a copy of my flight booking roadmap, which looks like this. This goes step by step through my flight booking process, and you can use it as a checklist. You can even add your own notes in it as you go through the course, so that way you have something to help you remember and not miss any important steps that could save you time and money whenever you're booking flights. Again, you can go through these modules and tutorials at your own pace. Everything is on demand for you. Here is one more example of a lesson which has some tips to try this on your own and actually practice and learn and digest what you're getting out of the video.